Welcome back to the T100 learning course. This video is going to be going over manual border creation or advanced border creation. So what's going to be happening today is we're going to fly the T100 drone in manual plus mode, and then as we spray, it's going to create a border line for us to use. Now the advantage of this is, unlike with using Google Maps or Google Earth, you can actually see the field in front of you, you know where all the obstacles are, whereas the satellite imagery might be a little bit outdated. So we're going to show you what that looks like, how to fly it in manual plus, and then when you spray, it's going to create your border. At the end, you land, close it, make sure the green lines touch, and you're going to have a closed border that you built yourself.
Okay, so here's the actual drone controller footage for the manual boundary creation. You can see I'm flying the drone here, and that green line means that I'm spraying. So you can also change your view here. So instead of it being the static satellite map, you can click and tap the actual camera on the controller. So if you're working really close to some trees or some obstacles, that's super helpful because you can just avoid those obstacles, get as close as you're comfortable, and just spray and around the border of your field, around the edge, and that will create the border for the drone to fly automatically. Now, when you're doing this, I recommend you probably go with a low payload. You can see I only have 4 gallons, low speed, low application rate, just because you're trying to get a real light touch, and you just want to make the drone pretty nimble, pretty easy to control, make the battery last a while so you can map out the entire border of the field. And then once you've done that, you go back around, and you want to make sure at the end, when you're done flying in manual plus mode, that the green lines where you sprayed touch. So the white lines are the drone traveling. You can see there I did it. The white lines are the drone traveling without spraying. And when you press forward on the drone controller manual plus, it will spray for you. So the green lines are it actually spraying. So you're going to see here, get close to our home point, and make the green lines cross. Great. And then we're going to hit return to home. There we go. So now it's going back to us. That's the application rate I went with, just 1 gallon per minute. That's all you need. So the drone is now landing. And then when you hit end, you can hit save as field. And when you do that, it's going to make it, boom, there you go. That's your border. And then those yellow lines are where it's going to be spraying for you automatically. And then the white lines are where it's just going to be transitioning from point to point. And then you can also add obstacle points like I'm doing now. And there you go. Save the task, and you can do it automatically. So that's how you do advanced border creation. You fly the drone in manual plus while it's spraying, and there you go. It creates a border for you.
All right, so as you just saw, that's how you do advanced boundary creation on the T100. You fly it yourself, and as you spray, manual plus mode will create the boundary for you. It's great for if you're flying around trees or if you want to scout out the area before you make it on a map. So thanks for watching.